Introducing E-Busurahan, an inclusivity design advancements in electronic trash segregation technologies.
Phase 1 is identification stage. This includes our four concepts of inclusive design proposal, wherein each of us listed a user-centric design issue, establishing the framework for potential design solution, and lastly, an abstract about our research. As electronic waste continues to burgeon, effective management strategies are imperative to mitigate environmental impacts and promote sustainable practices. This research explores the advancement in the electronic trash segregation, focusing on innovative technologies such as infrared sensors, machine learning algorithms, and automated sorting systems. The study evaluates the variables influencing segregation efficiency, including material types, size, and hazardous components. Additionally, the paper discusses the environmental importance of proper electronic waste segregation, emphasizing the reduction of landfill usage, resource conservation, and pollution prevention. The findings contribute to the ongoing discourse on waste management, offering insights into technological solutions for enhancing the segregation process and addressing the environmental challenges posed by electronic waste. So for our first problem and solution, you can see a child littering, but then in reality, some people also litter because they are too lazy to put it in the trash bin. Also, they don't always follow the proper trash segregation. The problem is that the landfills can cause flood, especially during rains and typhoons. So lastly, we invented this product most especially with children and differently abled people, so that the electronic trash segregation makes people contribute to sustainable waste management, protect the environment, conserve resources, and promotes responsible disposal practices. So for our second problem are for differently able people and children's. So in this slide, we can see her that she is struggling when putting her trash in the bin, because she didn't know where to put her trash, because of manual segregation. So it will ended up as landfillers that can be a problem in our health, mainly because of harmful chemicals impacting respiratory and lastly, overall health. So with this scenario, our E-Busurahan or our electronic trash segregation has one of its features. It has an audio wherein everyone, especially children and differently able people, will be educated that can help our environment.
Did you know that the Philippines generates at least 61,000 million metric tons of waste daily? 24% of this is plastic waste, according to Environment Secretary Maria Antonia Yulo Loizaga. She noted that the country produces 163 million plastic sachet packets, 48 million shopping bags, and 45 million thin film bags daily. And out of this, 61 million metric tons, or the 25%, come from Metro Manila. It is indeed solid waste management remains a major problem for our country. This is mostly due to the increasing amount of solid waste, improper disposal, and the inconsistency in segregation in many LGUs. As stated in our gathering, 1,532 schools in Metro Manila and 319 of these are SPED schools. As we can see from these photos, problems such as improper waste disposal of schools in Metro Manila, lack of advocacy and knowledge regarding waste segregation, and differently abled kids are unable to segregate properly due to their disabilities.
E-Busurahan is a smart technology for waste management, equipped with sensors and autonomously separates recyclables. It is a chic solution to a greener and more efficient lifestyle. Simply just toss your waste and let the sensors effortlessly separate recyclables from general waste, making it convenient and promotes eco-friendly habits with just a toss.
Okay, so first concept is this design. We make a bus-like trash bin wherein children will surely be interested. At the front view, you can see three boxes wherein may mga picture na isa-show to get the attention of the children. And then sa upper naman na front view sa top, Meron namang screen siya, nag-indicate siya ng para malaman yung if the trash bin is full na. And then in the side naman, you can see a different color depending in the trash you will be segregating. Also, it has a wheel to be able to move faster.
The concept design of the E-Busurahan starts with it looking like a children's bus with the main color of red, orange, yellow, black, and white. As we can see here, there is the main trash can where there has a sensor, a display screen, and inside of it, it has a sensor for segregating the trash. On the next slide, we can see the different color palette of the E-Busurahan from orange, yellow, and to pastel colors. The E-Busurahan's usage is to promote the proper waste segregation in schools, to have knowledge about waste segregation and recycling, to help differently abled kids, especially the blind ones who can properly segregate, and lastly, to partner with companies that recycles waste management. The main features of the E-Busurahan starts with the infrared sensors which detects movement and heat from the object. The second is interface screen which engages the children and educates children. And thirdly, the automatic segregation. These segregate trash from biodegradable to non-biodegradable.
The E-Busurahan is an inclusivity design which will be of good help for the differently abled kids and will also help solve the problem of waste disposal in schools. The reason why we chose the differently abled because trash bins on campuses aren't inclusive to individuals who can properly segregate, such as the blind. This can also be implemented to schools that want to advocate proper waste segregation in their campus. And as part of the Basurahan usage, the obtained wastes can be transported to these partner companies since their goal is to turn waste into useful products, thus the essence of recycling. Partner companies that are present in the Philippines are GeoCycle, EnviroCycle, Trash Panda, and many more. And to launch this project, the target schools are as stated. These are schools who specializes on special education, so they cater students that are differently able. Again, this is E-Busurahan, an inclusivity design advancements in electronic trash segregation technology.